Well, hello everyone, and thank you for joining us. I'm glad to have you, and I hope you learned something super extraordinary for your business. My name is James Thomas, and I'm the Executive Director at Monfitchet & Company Atlanta. We are a full-service web design and development agency who service small businesses and entrepreneurs alike. Over the past 3 years, we've built over 300 websites for small businesses and entrepreneurs all around the world. Our clients range from the United States, Canada, and even the Caribbean. Today, I want to share with you our comprehensive plan for web design and development. Our plans are affordable and 100% customizable. So right now, I'd ask you to sit back, watch the video, and learn what we can offer you and your business. Let's get started. Monfitchet & Company Atlanta. We are Atlanta's top web design and marketing agency. We focus on building websites that are modern and mobile friendly, and we offer 100% satisfaction guaranteed on all of our designs. So what does that mean? Or furthermore, what does that look like? So we help small businesses build and design websites that are functional and mobile friendly, and then we take them to the next level by offering marketing services such as content marketing, paid advertising, online directory listings, search engine optimization, and much more. Our overall mission is to provide online marketing solutions for businesses and entrepreneurs alike. But before we can get to that point of providing and building marketing solutions into your website, we have to master a web design that is cohesive, functional, and follows Google's algorithms. And that, my friend, is why we're here today, to talk about the web design and development solutions that we can provide to small businesses. As a full-service marketing and web development agency, we'll handle everything so you can work on your business. We have built strategic partnerships with industry leaders that allow us to offer discounts and prices that can allow consumers and small business owners to pay a fraction of the price that other web hosting services are providing. We offer all of our clients high-performance servers, 24-hour monitoring on the network, world-class technology, and we also have 2 data locations that are strategically located on AT&T's Global Crossing and Cable and Wireless OC192 global IP backbone. I know that was a mouthful, but with that being said, your website will be hosted and will not come down. We have the capacity and the capability to build websites for businesses, e-commerce, nonprofit organizations, and educational. At Monfitchet & Company Atlanta, we have core features that we provide to all of our clients with the backing of 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you decide to have us build your website, we offer all of our clients 2-year domain privacy protection, free of cost, a 2-year personalized domain name, absolutely free, 2-year backup and restore, and this is for your website itself, free of charge, and 2-year web hosting, free of charge as well. And if you're in the business of having more than one business and more than one domain, you can build multiple, an unlimited amount of domain on that one hosting service. So keep that as a benefit or add-on feature that you can use in your business. All of our websites come with a minimum of 15 high resolution, high definition 4K images. Our team of experts will not only host your website on the World Wide Web, but they'll work with other affiliates to provide 24 hours, 7 days a week network monitoring. They will also install and set up the WordPress software that manages, stores, and retrieves data from the database. Our developers will create and design your website. We'll focus on the user experience, client expectation, and most of all, Google guidelines. We provide web design, content development, and network security configuration. Our experts will maintain the website's database and all of its programming. At the end of the presentation, we have a QR code that you're able to scan. If you're already on the website that QR code takes you to, please explore the pre-built websites and the web design ideas that we have listed on the page. You can take those ideas and we can incorporate them and build it into a website of your choice. Look through it, get an idea of what you have planned for your website. In addition to the website design samples, we also have live website demos that you can explore. Click on them, explore through them, see what you like, see what you don't like, so you know what you want in your own website. We have a great team of professionals. We're dedicated to providing a service that's comprehensive and affordable. And in many cases, I will be your point of contact. We value communication and we invite all ideas to the forefront. At Montfichet & Company Atlanta, we provide 3 service packages in terms of the website development. Our standard package consists of hosting, design, and setup. Now, what does that look like? So we offer 8 pages. That's your home page, your contact us page, your about us page, services page, terms and conditions, policy procedures, and we also provide you 1 blog article. Inside of those pages, we'll provide you with a minimum of 10 high-resolution images, 6-page content writing, and 1 blog article. Our advanced package consists of the 8 standard pages plus an additional 4 pages of your choice. In this package, we provide 15 high-resolution images, 10 pages worth of content writing, and 1 blog article written by our team of copywriters. Our third package includes the e-commerce development package. And this is for those individuals who seek to create an online store. Setup and configuration is based on the number of products you'll be selling on your store. Traditionally, we offer a home page, a contact us page, an about us page, privacy policy, terms and conditions, and 1 blog article. With all 3 of these strategic plans that we offer, we make sure that the design, the configuration, the layout, the feel of the website follows Google's algorithms. The reason why we follow Google's algorithm is because we want your website to have its exposure online. And the only way to do that is to follow the guidelines that Google sets out before us. These 3 service plans are standard. If you want additional requirements built into the website, that would be a separate conversation. Everything is possible and we can make it happen. At Montfichet & Company Atlanta, we have a brilliant team of copywriters and interns that work directly with our businesses to create content, not only for their websites, but also for blog articles as well. Our standard website design, we provide 5 pages of content writing. So what does that look like? We provide 500 to 600 words on each one of these pages. And we take it a step further to provide our clients with keywords that are available for ranking and that will help you when you're trying to grow your business in terms of search engine optimization. Our advanced website designs, we provide you with 5 pages of copyright, and that consists of 500 to 600 words as well. But we take it a step further and provide you with 4 additional pages of copyright, and that is also 500 to 600 words as well. At Montfichet & Company Atlanta, we offer all of our new website designs 1 year free of charge website maintenance services. With the climate of today's society and the online network, there are so many different breaches and possibilities for malware and viruses for websites that we felt it was important to offer our clients some type of way to protect their websites from any type of intrusions. Many different web designers and developers charge a monthly maintenance fee, but for us, we're offering the first year free of charge. Now, what does that look like? We offer country blocking with geographic protection, website monitoring, password protection, routine maintenance, advanced manual blocking, monitor live website traffic, and we also have a list of over 25 different areas that we monitor on a daily and weekly and monthly basis for all of our clients. At Montfichet & Company Atlanta, we provide an extensive team that meets, collaborates, and develops a website that reflects your vision. We have a team of developers, which consists of a graphic designer, a senior web developer, and a VP of website design and development. We take it a step further and we include a brand strategist, copywriter and content strategist, and an additional copywriter that meets regularly to make sure that we build a website that reflects your views, your vision, and your expectation. In most cases, I work directly with all of our clients to create an open-ended conversation and an open communication pipeline that allows us to meet and collaborate and build a vision for your website that reflects your views, vision, color expectations, and design. At the end of the presentation, I'll provide you with a QR code. If you're already on that page, then you're able to read a little bit more about what our team has to offer. We have information from the brand strategist. We have a brief description from the developers. And we also have information from the copywriters. So take your time, look it over, familiarize yourself with what we have to offer. The websites we build for our clients can come from any walk of life. We build business websites, e-commerce websites, nonprofit websites, and educational websites. Thank you so much for taking this journey with us and learning what Montfichet & Company Atlanta has to offer. So the next steps are, if you're already on the website, or if you're not, scan the QR code and it takes you to the website. Halfway down the page, it'll say, fill out this form. Complete your name, your email address, phone number, and project details. Once you complete that form, it'll take you to another page that allows you to schedule a meeting. That way, I'll have a little bit of background information before we have our discovery call. You and I will sit down and have a one-on-one to talk about your must-haves and to talk about your vision. Once we conclude that, I'll be able to provide you with a comprehensive package of what we can offer you in your small business. My name is James Thomas, and I'm the Executive Director at Montpellier & Company Atlanta. Congratulations on beginning your journey on web development. I wish you the best of luck, and I hope you choose me and my team as your web design and development agency.